Hello friends, today's topic stocks that could benefit in wedding season. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In India, weddings are like mini festivals. It's a time when family and friends get together to celebrate. It is also a time when lakhs and crores of rupees are spent to make the wedding as grand as possible. In fact, even when people may not be able to afford much, they spend beyond their capacity to make the wedding a good experience for all guests. Majority of the weddings happen in the second half of the year. Usually in the last 2 to 3 months of a year itself, around 3 lakh crores is spent on weddings and associated expenses. The wedding market in India is huge and growing year by year as prosperity level increases. Broadly, there are 5 categories of sectors which will benefit from wedding market. 1. Jewelry sector. 2. Apparel and clothing sector. 3. Matchmaking. 4. Hotel sector. 5. Durable goods sector. First one is jewelry sector. It is estimated to be worth around 90,000 crores per annum. The prominent listed companies in the jewelry sector are Titan Company, Kalyan Jewelers, Senko, and Tangamail Jewelry. Apart from this, there are many unlisted companies such as Joy Lucas, Lalita Jewelry, Reliance Jewels, TC Jeweler, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, etc. Jewelry sector is expected to grow in the future too due to India's culture of wearing and gifting ornaments during weddings. Also, more and more people are choosing branded jewelry where they have more faith about the quality and purity of the gold, diamonds and gems used. 2. Apparel and clothing sector. Clothing is an important part of all weddings. Clothing is not only for wearing by the family members but maybe also for gifting to close relatives and friends. This is estimated to be worth 50,000 crores per annum. There are some leading listed companies such as Manyavar, Vedant Fashions, Raymond's, Aditya Birla, Fashion and Retail. 3. Matchmaking. Nowadays, people are utilizing the services of online matrimony websites for searching for their life partners. Jivansati.com, which is owned by InfoEdge, and Bharat Matrimony, which is owned by Matrimony.com Limited, are the listed companies in this segment. 4. Hotel sector. More and more people are considering to conduct weddings in large hotels where the ambience is good. In hotels, although the spending is high, the overall service and food standards is very high. Hence, many people prefer it. Also, accommodation is organized for guests in hotels. The estimated market for this is 7,000 crores. The leading listed companies in this sector are Indian Hotels Limited, Oberoi, Taj GVK Hotels, Lemon Tree Hotels, Royal Orchid Hotels, etc. Apart from this, there are many smaller brands too. Unless the traditional marriage mandaps revamp themselves, hotels will take over their business in the future. Here is an announcement. ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರು ಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ? YouTube live discussion free for all channel members tomorrow 25th June Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. The fifth sector is durable and goods sector. Weddings usually result in the new couple moving to a new house. For this, they will require new appliances and furniture. Whirlpool, Voltas, TTK Prestige, Bajaj Electricals also benefit from such spending. These are some of the big brands for consumer durable goods in India. This market is estimated to be around 30,000 crores per annum. Apart from all this, people spend on makeup, mehndi and associated services. This market is estimated to be around 5,000 crores per annum. Wedding venue decorations and flowers, which is estimated to be 10,000 crore per annum market. Photography and videography services estimated to be worth rupees 1,500 crores. Wedding invitation cards and miscellaneous expenses are easily worth rupees 10,000 crores per annum. These are estimates as per today's age. In future, the wedding market would become larger and the spending will multiply manifold. As investors, we can definitely explore taking benefit for such a large market through our investment in stock market. End of the video, here is a question. According to your family standards, what is the typical spending for a wedding? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.